How to link Google account to Hoyoverse. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out how we can link our Google account to Hoyoverse and if it's even possible. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first things first, open up your web browser and simply search for Hoyoverse login. If you simply tap on Hoyoverse login, you will then be able to log in into your Hoyoverse account. So just head over to its website and there we go. So this is the account center for Hoyoverse. Now here you'll find an option that says link account. So simply tap on link account. After you do that, you'll get this option right here where you will see the accounts that you have linked. So right here you'll find different options. Now, and you'll also find the link option in some of these, but there's only a few where you can link it from here. And for others, such as Google, you will only be able to link it via in-game. That is, while you're playing a game, you can simply link your Hoyoverse and Google account. Other than that, if you have just created your Hoyoverse account using your Google account, that will just directly link your Google and Hoyoverse as well. And I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.